So hi everyone, it's Jordan right back here, and we are continuing our series about chart patterns. And in this video, we are going to be looking at the bullish pennant. So the bullish pennant looks exactly what you're seeing on a screen right here. You can see that here. So since it is bullish, we expect that we are going to be on a clear uptrend, okay? And then on this uptrend, we shall find a short-term consolidation that will have to make for us something that looks like a symmetrical triangle. This time around, it is small, and then a breakout to make a continuation. So that is what a bullish pennant is. So a bullish pennant is simply a continuation chart pattern. So in most cases, the price will have a sharp rise on an uptrend. So for example, here we have been having a series of a downtrend. Okay, then the price gets the sharp rise to change the direction. So what will happen is that there will be a pause in trend, and therefore we shall have this pennant formed, and after its break, we shall have to continue our uptrend. So just like rectangles, pennants continuation patterns, and they are formed after strong moves. So after a big upward or downward movement, buyers or sellers usually pause before taking the pair further in the same direction. Therefore, price usually consolidates and forms a tiny symmetrical triangle, which is called the pennant. So a bullish pennant is formed during a steep, almost vertical uptrend. So that's what we have been talking about. So you will find that, for example, here the market is coming from a downtrend, and maybe on its bottom we get some little bit of consolidation, and then we get a sharp rise. So this sharp rise is normally followed by some short-term consolidation, which forms a pennant, and then a breakout to confirm that this is now a pennant. Then we break out, make our order, and then catch the wave up. So pennants are just what? Continuation patterns. So after the sharp rise in price, some buyers close their positions while others decide to join in, and therefore they make the price to consolidate for a little while. Bullish pennants can provide breakout and then break and retest strategy. So we are saying that on a bullish pennant, we shall have a price is maybe coming from a downtrend, and then we get this sharp rise within the market to change the direction. And then during that time, we shall get a short-term consolidation, and then followed by this consolidation forming a short-term symmetrical triangle, which is a pennant. And then on its break, we can have two trading strategies. We can have the breakout strategy or the break and retest, and then we get the wave up. Okay. So the bullish pennant looks like this on a candlestick chart. You can see that right here we had a sharp rise in the price movement, followed by this short-term consolidation. But the consolidation which happens, it doesn't happen like the consolidation which forms the rectangles, but the consolidation forms and it looks like it is going to reverse the market. So that's why we get these slanting trend lines. Okay, so it shows that there is a short-term fight between the bulls and the bears, but eventually, since the bulls were stronger here, they tend to push the price higher, and then we continue the trend. So you can see that right here we broke out, and then we had our wave up. So when you look at this chart, we can see that right here we are going to be looking at the bullish pennant. We can see that right here we had a sharp rise within the price because it was coming from long-term consolidation. But then here we get some little bit of price fight. You can see that here we have bears controlling, then the bulls control, bears controlling, and then the momentum starts to reduce. Okay, so you see get a sharp rise, then bears come in, bulls come in, and then bears come in, then you start to decrease. So this decrease is what leads to formation of this pennant formation. So the steeper it becomes, as the fight weakens, we have bulls coming in a stronger move, and then they push the price higher. So right here you can see that we formed our bullish pennant, okay, and then here we got our breakout candle. So on this breakout candle, that is where we put our entry point. So since it is a continuation pattern, we just put our buy stop order here, and then we put our stop loss according to the way we do it on this channel, and then we get wave up. So that is the only way to trade the bullish pennant. Number one, price is on a clear uptrend. So if the price is on an uptrend, okay, and then you get this short-term consolidation, which forms a pennant, we wait for a breakout. On the breakout, we make our buy order, and then we'll be able to catch the wave up. So we shall use a buy stop order. Or what will happen is that the price is on an uptrend, and then after forming this pennant, it will come and break out. It tends to seem like it is retesting, and then it shoots higher. Okay, so that's the only way to trade the pennant. You just put a buy stop order, put a stop loss, and then wait to catch the wave up. So on this second chart, we can still see that here the price was coming from a clear downtrend. Right here, you can see the price is coming from a downtrend, and then we get a sharp rise in price to change the direction. So these sharp rises are the ones which lead to pennants. So right here, we formed our pennant. You can see that after the price is rising, then we get this short-term fight from the bears, making the price to consolidate, and then we get this breakout candle. So in this breakout candle, that's where we put our buy stop order, and then we wait to catch the continuation. So maybe one thing to note is that when the price rises and then it forms the pennant format or the pennant chart pattern, we can wait for a retest. We can wait for a retest, but since it is a continuation pattern, retest will just make you miss so many trades. So you just have to make your first entry on this breakout candle. So we can wait for a retest, and then the price will shoot higher. Then the other issue is that when the price forms this pennant, okay, we wait for a candle that closes entirely above the pennant structure. So we wait for a candle, for example, this candle is a candle whose body is closing out of the structure of this pennant. So wait for that candle. So if you have a pennant like this, and then a candle which is breaking out is half body inside and then half body is out of the pennant structure, we wait for another candle that is going to close entirely above the pennant structure, and then we catch the wave up. This is just to avoid false breakouts. So that's the only way to trade the pennant successfully. So you can see that even right here, you have this candle which closes entirely out of the pennant structure, and it becomes our entry candle. So if this candle does not close entirely out of the pennant structure, you have to avoid that candle because you might get false breakouts which lead to so many losses. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this and for support. My name is Jordan. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next video. Or maybe just a simple recap. This is the opposite of this pennant structure. You can see. So right here, this is the opposite of the bullish pennant, and the opposite is the bearish pennant. Is what we are going to be looking at in the next video. Bye bye.